Howdy folks, it's Hansom, and today I have no idea what I'm doing. You're gonna hit that like, you're gonna hit that subscribe, you're gonna leave a comment. We're gonna keep this thing rolling, strolling, and going, and going, and going, and going. Okay, I'm just in a good mood today. Why? I don't know, but we have something totally left field. Totally left field. I don't even remember what this is called. The Lumix ZS99. I have no idea. Never taken these apart. Actually, so what's going on with this ZS99 is the LCD screen. Hopefully you can see. I mean, so it is on. Just to let y'all know, we are zooming. That is gross. But it is zooming, you can see. And the screen is not on. You can see lines going down all right here. Okay, touchscreen still works. That is just phenomenal. Doing a great job, Panasonic. Basically, the LCD screen is cracked on the inside, so we are going to, hopefully, we are going to replace this LCD assembly. I don't know what they were doing, but it wasn't that good. I was able to get this part off of Encompass. I will have it right here. If you need it, I'm not going to read out the part number. It's right there. Just so y'all can see what this thing looked like. You know what I'm saying? Oh, wow. Very intriguing. Alright. At least it's the whole assembly. I can get jiggy with that. Tools! Y'all know what it is. You got your tweezers, your cross points, JIS screwdrivers is right there. Right. So, I don't believe I've taken any of these apart before. I'm just gonna start by taking some screws out. Some awesome content for y'all. I know everybody watching owns one of these cameras. And if you don't, I'd keep it that way. Pretty interesting and pretty cool that I get to document Panasonic point and shoot. I may be the first one to ever put a video out on this. A video. I obviously cannot speak this morning. Okay. A little too easy. Just saying. I like how it's all together. Alright. Oh man. I'm scared already, y'all. Look at that. On the plastic. Doing a great job. Basic board. Wonder how much this camera is. Looky. Alright, so you're gonna bend here. And there. Okay. Don't tell me one screw is holding this thing in. Okay. So it looks like I'm gonna have to recycle this plastic top piece right here. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, that was uncalled for. I apologize. Alright, just give it some wiggle. And, okay. Just give it a little wiggle and the pool. This is gonna be awesome putting back in, I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that, boy. All right, that was kind of chill. Just saying. You go back. Boom. Okay. That's weird. All plastic. I wish they put some tabs on the... Throw some tabs on that Let's see if that was it. Let's see, folks. Oh my gosh! Who's the baddest repairman of them all? Handsome. Touchscreen works. We live. That is not the shutter button. That is on and off. I totally thought that was the shutter button. Handsome's a bad man, Majema. Man, I couldn't have asked for a smoother repair than that. Man, if you got one of these cameras, and your LCD screen cracked, you could do this all by yourself now. I'm talking about. Right. That was a screen replacement on a Panasonic Lumix ZS99. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me a part of your day. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, shoot your boy a comment. I don't know. Tell me how good I'm doing. Tell me how bad I'm doing. Tell me what cameras to do. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace!